Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. We are glad to have you here. Season's greetings. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's December. Okay, so we're going to start with this beautiful mistletoe number. Yeah, right here, and we're going to tell you how we made this. Okay, as you saw in the preceding slides, yes, this dress is made or was made in 5 different parts. Of course, the first thing to do would be to create your motifs. We chose this very beautiful snowflake like square to use for this design. All right, and so essentially we created as many squares as we're going to need. We did something really interesting. Are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. We bring you beautiful videos every week on how we made one of our bespoke apparels. Yeah, so you can learn to make those, wear them, give them out as gifts, sell them, as the case may be. All right, but they are always instructive and educative. So do subscribe and then turn on notifications so that you can be aware of when we bring brand new videos. So like I was saying, we made the different squares we need, right? We made the squares in green, definitely, and then with the red edge. All right, so essentially for joining these motifs, all we had to do was just complete the very first motif and then make all the other ones and stop just at the green, right? And then we joined using these red. So essentially we worked, the joining would definitely take from the bust region, which is just underneath the armpit, all the way to wherever it is we wanted the dress to stop. So you can make it an above the knee dress, you can make it an ankle length dress, you can make it a really mini dress, or you can even make it into a top or a blouse, as the case may be. So that's it essentially. Join the motifs you need. Now, like I was saying, I did something interesting right here. So I used 3 different hook sizes, right? The smallest hook size for the slimmest part of the body, right? The next hook size for the bust area and the area just above the hip and below the hip. All right, and then I used another hook size for the hip area, so it's silhouettes gradually. It is really beautiful, as you can see on the wearer, right? So yeah, that was the first part. We created the motifs, number 1, 2, we joined all the motifs down here, and then we walked up, right? We chose this beautiful call it pine designs, all in the call it the festive season mode, right? So we chose the spine designs just made up of double crochet stitches and parted with just 1 chain. So double crochet stitch chain, 2 double crochet stitches chain. So we decided to make music out of it. So we have two clusters of 2 double crochets and then three double crochets clusters, you see. So 2 double crochet, yeah, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet here, 3 double crochet, just like that. Just made alternated just to give it a rhythmic look. We did the same for the back. We walked up, right, joined, yeah, at the shoulders, edged our neckline, single crochet stitches first, and then the chain stitches there. Now something interesting, the sleeves we worked separately, right? We used the measurement of the biceps. Yeah, I didn't tell you what measurements we need, but as usual, I'm sure you know, you need the bust measurement, you need the waist measurement, you need your hip measurement, you need the length you're going to be using for the garment. If it's a blouse, you need the blouse length. If it's a mini dress, you need the mini dress length. If it's a knee length, you need the knee up to the knee length. If it is the ankle, you need all the way to the ankle. So back to the sleeves. So we replicated the design we used for the upper part of the dress right here on the sleeves, right? We worked it for as long as say about this should be about 7 to 8 inches of that, and then we created this funnel on them. We created 3 steps of funnel. We started with this one, which we walked into the very last row of the bicep pattern, right? So we work that, we increase gradually every three rows. We added 4 extra V stitches. We use V stitches for this part. All right, so for every 4 rows, we increased by 4 V stitches. Every 4 rows increased by 4 V stitches. All right, and then three rows above, we put in another one similar, and 3 rows above, we put in another one similar to create this. Give us this very beautiful. This is it. This is it. Really, really fine look, right? And totally make it for your Christmas parties and do share pictures of what it looks like at the end of the day. So I don't know if you have questions, right? About this, you can ask in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, yeah, and then also join our Instagram family and let us know which of those items right there, or which of the projects you'd like to see a video on how to make it, and then we'll bring it your way. Once again, season's greetings and bye for now.